Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to be doing a walkthrough of Elementor's new poster theme called Hello Biz. Now, if you've been a fan, you've been following this channel, then you must have noticed that I've done a lot of projects using the Hello Elementor theme. But in this video, we want to do a walkthrough of Hello Biz. Now, on this website, which is by the way hosted on Elementor hosting, inthejet.com. This is hosted using Elementor hosting. I have the Hello Elementor theme. And if I go to the appearance, you can see what it gives us. Go to theme settings. And you can see all of this, display page and all that. And if I go to customize, you see what it offers us. It offers us site identity, menu, header and footer. And this is something new. You can start designing your header and your footer right from here. Now, I'm not going to go through all of that in this video. What I want to do now in this video is to explore the Hello Elementor theme. I want to explore the Hello Biz theme rather. So I'll go to appearance, go to themes, and I have Hello Elementor here. I want to add a new theme and I want to look for Hello Biz. Hello Biz by Elementor. Now this is it. I'm going to click to install. While it's installing, if I come to their website, you see they show us, you see create a business website in minutes. And it says, it's the theme that means business. And 4 native widgets, hello widgets, then header and footer. So we have the form light, which is it's like a complement to the forms which you get with Elementor Pro. We have the zigzag, we have the hero widget, we also have this call to action, and we have headers and footers, which is quite encouraging. And it says you can choose your preferred kit. So let's come back to our video or to our website. I'll activate this. And when I activate this, it asks me to begin to the setup. Now, I have Elementor Pro on this website. I'm just going to go ahead and deactivate it first. I'll deactivate Elementor Pro, which is this. I'll deactivate it. And then I'll come here and begin the setup. So it's installing Hello Plus. It installed the Hello Plus theme and it wants me to choose a template right now, which is quite good. I mean, given the fact that this is a free theme and it's offering us the ability to have a free template. So if I preview this, so this is what I get, which is quite beautiful. And if I go back to wizard, we can also preview this second one. This is quite nice. I mean, this is really neat and sleek. If I click on the services page, this is quite neat. And then I can click on contact us. You can see that. And this other theme, let's look at it. So this is just very basic. You can fill in the blanks by yourself. Let's walk through these various demos. Now look at this one. Now look at this. This is really good. Now Hello Biz, as the name goes, is particularly for businesses, and you can see this one. My. This is pure beauty. Earth, and it's talking about water here. Kudos to the guys at Elementor. All right. Now, and then the last one I'm going to review is this. So you see this beautiful contact page. And that is that. All right. So I'll come and let's say I want to use this particular one, nature photography. I'll click here on apply kit. And it's going to tell me by applying the kit, you'll override any styles, settings, or content already on your site. I'll say apply. So it's applying and it says first enable unfiltered downloads. I'll enable that. They probably have SVGs on the page. So it's going ahead and it's installing. Now that it is installed, it tells me you've created your website. I can view my website on the front end by just clicking here. It doesn't show yet. I think I need to change the home page. And if I click to customize my website, I'll see all of this here. Now I want to come to pages and see what has been imported. I'll open the pages. So contact, global styles, home, and services. Let me look at the home page. I still see all of this here. I don't know why. Maybe I need to delete the Hello theme, this one. So I'm going to click on this and I'm going to delete that. It happens sometimes. All right. So the issue was that I still had the Hello theme on my website. So this is what we have here. And just to be fair with you, I'm going to use this for a particular project which I'm building. So we have this on the home page. We have the services page. We have the contact us page. All of these are really, really nice. And let me just come back to the about page. So this is the about page. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. And to come to the home page, you just need to click on this header logo area and you're on the home page. Now, I want to come back here and it's going to tell us we can customize this. First of all, you can edit the home page. This is the home page here. You can edit this with Elementor. Now, you see, we can add this section. We can edit this section. We can change what we have here. I'll remove this. We can change what we have here. Type, it says your description, your best friend is a top priority. You can also change the picture here, the image. I think it's under content. No, it's under image. Okay, this is it under image. You can change it from here. Then the CTA button, you see book an appointment. This is it here, book an appointment. You can change it. So this is an entirely new experience in the Elementor ecosphere, if I should use that word. And then you can change these SVG, these icons too. You will need to upload yours because Elementor doesn't give you these custom icons right off the bat. You can change all of this. You can even change this here. So these are our services. You can change all of this and you can apply link on each of them or on the entire width. You can apply links inline. So that means you can give each of these a particular link. You paste the link for this one here. You paste the link for this one here. So you can change this individually. Let's say for the first one, I want to see our offers. So it's going to change. When you see it here, it's going to change because this is scrolling. And if I come back, I'll close this out and I'll also close this out. You can also change your site colors. Let's try to customize this. So you see, it makes changing your site identity easier. So if I look at the website, let me just reload this. You see, this seems to be the main color, and then you have this purple. If I come here, I can change that. That should be here. I can change this here. And even the black, which you see here, you can also change that here. This is the black, and this is also the black. So this is custom color. These are system colors. So the next, you can also change fonts. Just right click and open in a new tab. And then you can come here under a global font. You can change the primary font. It lists you the various fonts being used here. You can change the secondary, the body text, and the accent text. You can also customize your header. I'll just delete this. Yes, I'll leave. So this is the header. And you can change the logo here. You can add your site logo, change your site logo from here, and add whatever it is you desire to put there as the logo. Let me just close that out and open it again. I'll close this one and open it again. So you can change your site logo here. This is all you see, navigation. You can change the menu. Maybe there is another menu. You can change it from here. The call to action. You can change it from schedule now to book appointment. So you see it now says book appointment there. Let me put it on mobile. So you see it's really mobile responsive. It's really mobile responsive. Book appointment. And if I come back here, you can also add a secondary call to action here. You see contact us. I will turn that off. And then you can style all of this. You can style all of this. Navigation, the text color, you can change that there. And then the text align, you can add a divider, but I'll just leave that the way it is. And a lot more. Let's say for box, you can change the entire background of this. You can change it. Maybe you want it to be darker. You can do that there. I'll just close that out. And for the footer, you can also do that. You can change that. This is the current footer. This is the current footer. Maybe you want the footer to be more imposing. You can change all of that. So if we come to style, first of all, come to box, you may decide you want to change the background to something darker like this. Well, that's all up to you. You want to change even the menus here, come to content. And then these logos, you can change them. You can add another one. Maybe you want to add Instagram. So I'll search for Instagram. And I'm going to add that right over there. So, oh, I already had Instagram there. But either way, you get the point. Then when it comes to navigation, you can change this if there were another, if you had probably a dedicated footer menu, you could add that there. You could also change the contact, change that and put this there. So that is that for the footer. I'll leave, I don't want to save. And then the about us and the home page. You can customize all of this from here generally. And you can also edit them from the pages section. So we already talked about this. These are the different pages. No matter the page you have, you're going to have them here. You can create new pages from here. You can customize settings from here. You can disable skip links for SEO purposes. You can enable it instead. Then structure and layout. You can hide page title if you don't want the page title to be seen. So it's going to apply this particular code. Now, I want us to look at something, some of the widgets which this theme gives you. I'll just come here and click to add a new page. I'll go to next. Next. I'll just cancel this out. I'll just say sample. Samples. I'll publish this. And then I want to edit this with Elementor. Now, as we are on this page, you'll see that if you don't have Elementor Pro, all of these things are still locked, all of these widgets. I'll open them, but I want to expand this section. Now you see all the Elementor Pro widgets are still locked. All of them are still locked. But when you come beneath, you see something Hello Plus. When you installed Hello Elementor or Hello Biz, you also install this Hello Plus theme, which is what coordinates and regulates everything, controls everything there. So you have this zigzag. Let us look at them one after the other. Zigzag. So for Hellobiz, I want to drag this zigzag widget and put it here. And you see automatically it gives us this, which is something which would have taken you time to go ahead and add. So you can simply add your pictures here. I'll click on this one. I can add an image here. Let me see. I could just want to add this woman. Or let's just see. I'll just upload from my computer. So I'll come to downloads. I'll upload this particular one. I'll insert that inside here. So you see that that's a picture there. Now, I don't think it's finished loading. All right, it's loaded. Now we can change the text here and say social media done right. We say social media at its best. So you see that social media at its best. We can also change the text right here. And if we come to the style tab, you want to say the image width. Maybe it should be 40%. So more of this should be shown instead of the image. I'll just make it 50%, and then position should be center. You can see center right or center left, but I'll leave it at center. And then the heading, this color, you can change it here to be a thicker shade of this. Let's say you want it to be this. You see it has changed. And then the typography is now Marcellus. I'll leave it at that. You can change it. For this text, you could make it to be green, dark green, or pure black. And you could change the text to make it, let's say, just. So that is what you can do. This is the zigzag. Now the other Hello Plus widget which I want us to explore is called Hero. So if I drag this hero and put it here, you can see it already gives me this text on top, and then it gives me this description and then this call to action. You can also change that. You can change the text here. Then the CTA button, you want to change what it says. You can see, let's say book now. And that's it there. And then the image down here, you may want to use the same image which we just used up there. So this is the image. And then if I come to style, you can change the content from here. So for the subheading, which is this, you can change it to this. And then for the CTA button, you can change the color. That's the text. And then the background, you can also change the background to maybe something like green. Like green, which kind of works well for me. Then for the image, you may want to increase the height of the image. You can see it's very thin. You might want to increase the height of the image from here. And if I go back, the next widget, Hello Plus widget, which we want to go through is this one called CTA. This call to action, which to me is quite a good thing to have. So you can do the same thing. You can edit this. If I go to style, you see, you can change the position to center. So everything is centered. I'll put it back to that. And then you can change the button, these buttons. And if I come back, the next Hello Plus widget which I want to explore is Flex Hero. So this is a hero section, but it's flexible. You can change, I can swap these elements. See, this one now comes to the left and the other one to the right. Content alignment, let's say you want to make the picture to be pushed up or down, or you want to make it to be centered. You can change all of this here. Then the content, look, you can work with all of this. Image, the height, you can make it 300 height, or you can change the width to, let's see, you can make this 350 so that it aligns with the text. And the box, for the box, you can change the background to, let's see, something creamy. You can make it red, you can make it black, you can make it whatever you desire. And now the next call to action, the next Hero Plus is the form slide, which to me is one of the most important things that they've done. So we've added a form here, and if I click on this, you see it gives us this contact heading. You can, maybe you don't want the contact heading to be there. And then the form fields, which is the crux of the matter, you have a number of items you can add. So the type, this is limited to this. So we already have name, email, we can add phone number. So, and we can just drag it and put it above that. And we can see the label should be phone number. Phone number. And you can also add quite some stuff here. Let's say you can make this to be 50%, the name 50%, email 50%. So you align them on the same line. Then phone number should be on its own line. And then of course the message. And then every other thing apart from this, you can do them basically, but you can't add additional options. That is only left for Elementor Pro. And if I come to advanced, you see you can't add additional custom CSS. You can only do that with Elementor Pro. So all in all, this is a rundown of the Hello Biz Elementor theme. If you want to try this, I think you should go ahead. But you can couple this with Elementor Pro, which I highly advise you to get. And if you want to get Elementor Pro, there is a link in the description of this video to get that. And if you want to get Elementor hosting, which is what I'm using for this website, this particular website, there is also a link in the description for you to do that. And now when you use Elementor, you get image optimizer, which is really good. And they also have a plugin which helps you avoid your mails going to spam. Elementor is giving us everything which we need to be full-scale developers. That's for ourselves or for our clients. And if you got any value out of this video, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, turn on the notification bell. God bless you. Peace.